Hi, my name is Tom Charland. I'm from Burlington, Vermont. I've been a service technician with Sears for 24 years. Today I'm going to provide you with some helpful tips on how to maintain your laundry appliances and keep them in proper working order. You should regularly inspect all the external hoses on your machine, making certain that you see no obstructions or problems with those components. We do not recommend using rubber hoses. Rubber hoses can split, expand, and break, which can cause a potential flood in your home. We recommend the use of metal or fiberglass reinforced hoses. Try to remember not to invest in floodgate hoses. Floodgate hoses for washing machines can restrict water flow at times and prevent your washer from operating correctly. Let's talk about laundry detergent. We recommend the use of liquid detergents. First, you need to determine whether your washer is a high efficiency washer or a standard operating washer. High efficiency washers are water conservatory. They require less detergents, and they also require a detergent that is low sudsing. Make certain that you only use the proper detergents for your high efficiency machine. The high efficiency will be marked clearly on those labels. We've learned in the industry that the actual amount of laundry detergent needed to clean your clothes does not necessarily reflect what the manufacturers call for. In a high efficiency washer, we recommend no more than 1/4 of a cap of high efficiency detergent for a large load and less for smaller loads. In a standard operating machine, we recommend no more than 1/2 a cap and of course less for smaller loads. Too much soap buildup in a machine can cause problems with your washer. It can build up with soap residue, it can cause stench and mold, and it can actually cause your washer not to operate correctly. So how do you know if you're still using too much laundry detergent? You can simply turn your washer on with a hot fill it up to about a half load level, and let the machine run for 3 to 5 minutes. Shut the machine off and inspect the water. If there is soap buildup in the water, it's a key indicator that the machine is built up with soap scum and you're still using too much detergent. Here are a couple of methods on how you can clean your washer. The first is a product called Washer Magic. Simply follow the directions on the back of the bottle for its application. Or you can use a cup of white vinegar to a cup of citrus powdered drink mix. Simply pour it into the machine, select a hot water fill, and cycle the washer. Here is a helpful loading tip. Never wash your sheets and blankets with other clothing. The other clothing can get wrapped up in the sheets and blankets, cause your machine to go unbalanced, and actually cause damage to your appliance. We recognize that people use dryer sheets and liquid fabric softener. We recommend using one or the other. If you're using a high efficiency washer with liquid fabric softener, it's vital that you dilute the fabric softener in the bottle 50% with water. Make certain you shake it up and thin it out. If you're using a standard top loading washer, use the recommended amounts. Remember, too much fabric softener in a washing machine can cause poor washability.